you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Recently, you will have seen from my vlogs, I met up with a bevy of handbag aficionado, friend, YouTuber, like-minded people, and I might have done a bit of shopping there. So today's video is my double Fendi unboxing. If you haven't already seen my vlogs about the mega weekend, epic weekend, meeting up with fellow luxury addicted YouTubers who, you know, just happened to jump on a plane and come over to the UK so we could all hang out together, amazing stuff, still feeling very overwhelmed, still feeling very honoured to have been a part of that weekend. If you haven't seen those vlogs down below, I will link them down below, and within those vlogs there will be links to everyone's YouTube channel so you can go and check out their vlogs. Would like to do that all over again immediately, if not sooner. However, not likely to happen, so I shall console myself. I shall console myself with my new things and sharing them with you. I will forever remember that I got these that weekend. Yeah. Oh, happy memories. Now the first thing, the more eagle-eyed amongst you will have already seen, is in this bag. And the first thing is in this box. Okay, so I did buy two things. One thing was one of the things that I was planning on looking at and buying, and did indeed head down that route. Beautifully packaged as always, thank you very much. I'm just going to slip it out the bottom. Yes, I did this because I wore this on the meetup day, but I wanted to keep all of the packaging nice for this unboxing because that's the kind of crazy thing we do. And in this box, in this bag is something that I have wanted for a very long time, and it featured in my recent lust list. And you may say, and I would like to hear your thoughts down below, you may say that it was probably the least exciting thing on that lust list, the least exciting thing I looked at in store, in boutique, and to that I say, no sir, to me this is incredibly exciting because I went for, let's just get an eyeful of that sexy Zucker print. I bought her! Yee! I'm sorry, what was that? You're new to my channel? Are you? Well, in that case, hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am so happy. You may think this is the least exciting thing that was on that list, and I say no, absolutely not. I am so incredibly excited, and I will tell you why. This is the mini baguette. This is in the classic Zucker print. Colour is tobacco, and it's in the, what do you call it? It's not a twill. I don't know what it's called. I'm seeing it again now for the first time since I wore it that day and packed it away again. And I've gone all giddy again. I've gone all giddy again because there have been so many times recently that I have thought to myself, what this outfit really needs is a little splash of Zucker print on the old hand baggage. You've got the detachable top handle. In here is the detachable shoulder strap, crossbody strap. The hardware says Fendi on it. It is absolutely beautiful, And then the shoulder bit of it to make it really, really comfortable to carry so the chain isn't digging in on you is also the Zucca print jacquard. That's probably the word that I was looking for. Core part of their range. They're never going to get rid of this unless there's a massive overhaul. It is not seasonal. It is a, dare I use the word, classic. It is a classic piece in the Fendi Baguette collection. So realistically, I could have bought this at any time and I should have been focusing on the seasonal stuff. But like I said, there have been so many times recently where I have wished that I had this bag, that now was the right time for me to get it. I have wanted to wear it with my Fendi, what are these called? They're the domino sneakers. Look. I wore this bag on the day that I met up with all of the other fabulous YouTubers because I was wearing my Fendi silk trousers, and when I put these on together, it was absolutely everything I imagined it would be. It was the perfect combination. I wore these with my Gucci trainers and just a plain white oversized shirt, and I may mix up those kind of trainers, shoes, top element. But I think if I'm ever going to be wearing these silk trousers, I am more than likely going to be carrying this bag as well. They are just the perfect companion. Excuse the creases in my trousers. And of course, not forgetting, I've got my colibris. Okay, so these aren't as quite a close match as the trousers and the dominoes, but do you know what? It's far enough apart that you could wear these and this bag and no one's going to look at it and go, oh, that's jarring, that's wrong. So those are my Fendi Zucca print pieces that this will pair with absolutely perfectly. But like I said, I wore a plain white shirt. It looks great against a plain white shirt and either my silk trousers or just a pair of jeans. But it's not just white it goes with. Look, it goes with my mint green linen shirt. It looks really good with my khaki dark green linen shirt. It looks fantastic against my coral linen blend shirt. Look at that. Look at those colours together. Yes, it even goes against my favourite fuchsia hot pink. Combinations are endless. And not forgetting my chartreuse coloured shirt. I think that's the word for it, chartreuse. Let me know. It even goes with this colour shirt. It goes with absolutely everything. I think the only other colour I have in my handbag collection that would go with quite as many colours in my clothing wardrobe are my plain black bags. So yes, there were seasonal colours available in store. Yes, there were sequins available in store. They are all beautiful and gorgeous, or gorgeous. But this is the one that I knew had to come home with me, and it had to be this size because this is my favourite size of the baguette. The big ones, the regular size ones, are just too big for me, and I wasn't as much of a fan of the Zucca print in the Fendi First as I thought I was going to be. So that's unboxing number 1, and if you hadn't seen my vlog and spotted this in my vlog, are you surprised that this is the one I went for? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you think I made a mistake? Do you think I went for the right thing? Let me know. And now let's get on to unboxing number 2. This one's a little bit bigger, it's a little bit heavier. And on top I have got my receipt in this Fendi envelope. So I will tell you that the Zucca print mini baguette is the same price as the seasonal leather pieces at 1,750 Great British pounds. And I will tell you how much the other thing is once I've told you what the other thing is. It's a little bit more hefty. Right, I've not opened this since we left the boutique. I haven't opened it since it got packed up, so lid off. Beautiful Fendi paper again. Oh, what's this? Oh, I didn't even know this. This is a surprise for me. Okay, we've got 2 dust bags, so what does that tell you? I had no idea. I had no idea. Let's try and put this down. Oh my God. I didn't know these came with their very own special dust bags. Fendi Flow. That may mean something to you. It may mean nothing to you. I had seen this before, thought, oh, that's pretty cute. But the Lion spotted them on the shelves and said, oh, those are really cool. The colours are fabulous. It's got the Zucker prints on. We've got leather. Look at that footprint, that footbed. And he said, you have got to try these on. So, you know, gave into a little bit of peer pressure, tried them on, loved them. Let's take the stuffing out of them. Okay, details. In case you didn't know, these are Fendi. We've got Fendi here with this hidden zip opening closure. We've got the Zucker print here. We have got Fendi on the back here. I was so giddy I didn't even notice it said Fendi on one and Flow on the other. On the inside it says Fendi Flow, and on the tongue, which incidentally is Zucker print backed, on the tongue it also has Fendi stamped, debossed. One of the things that the Lion really liked about this was the hidden zip with the Fendi Roma there. So that kind of a hidden zip, really nice. Really interesting kind of opening closure for a trainer. And the laces here, they're fixed, but they are elasticated, so they will stretch and give. Colour-wise, these do fall onto the kind of beige, grey. I think it's more of a greige than a beige colour, the more neutral tones, which is great for me because I have now got my white sneakers, my Gucci white sneakers. I've got my full-on domino Fendi sneakers with the Zucker print. This is much more of a kind of sporty. I didn't have anything sporty like this, but I see these being fantastic, really coming into their own over autumn and winter, with lots of lovely layers, big snuggly coat, all of that kind of stuff. I have spoken about my wide trotters before and how they have prevented me from wearing higher end, more designer shoes because they only seem to really cater for a narrow foot. I was a little bit concerned. I mean, these looked like they should accommodate my wide feet pretty easily, but I was still a little bit concerned. And to be honest, Valentina, I'm so sorry if you're watching Valentina. Valentina had such an effort trying to get these closed on me. She was moving around the elastic. So we got the Lion involved. He used his brute lion strength, managed to zip me in. Once I was in and I was running around the boutique, and that happened to be the moment that Claire and Hannah showed up while I was running around the boutique in these. Once I was in them, they were really comfy. So it was a bit of a struggle getting in initially. However, I think these are going to give a little bit. They've got lots of leather on them. As we know, leather gives and stretches a little bit. The elastic, well, I mean, it'll find its own place. It'll find its own way. And I'm going to start wearing these with thinner socks to start with until they start to give a little bit, and then I'll wear them with thicker socks. But love these, love this style. And this shoe is 770 Great British pounds. I have since spotted that they do these in white with like hot pink on them as well. So gorgeous, very gorgeous. Looking forward to wearing these with tracksuits, jeans, you name it. Probably wear it with a frock or two, who knows. But yeah, very happy to have these. And again, I'm a trainers girl, so why not buy the trainers? Why not spend the money on the things I'm going to wear? And of course, whatever I'm wearing, they will go perfectly with the mini baguette. It is almost like a little capsule accessories collection that I can make up multiple different combinations of. That is my double Fendi unboxing. Your thoughts, please. Let me know in the comment section down below. I've got a couple of really good videos coming up. I have a luxury Loewe free of charge. Harrods gave it to me for free unboxing to share with you, and I also have my Fendi repair show and tell customer care quality issues video. So until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next one, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!